man's husband is a hunter, not a normal hunter. Madam, how many tiger husband should kill? How many tiger? எத்தனை புலி கொண்டு சொல்லிருக்காரு? புலியா? கணக்கு பண்ணுங்கள, உஸ்மா கணக்கு போடுங்கள. How many puli your husband killed? How many tigers the husband killed the gun? புலி பத்தி பேசுவோம். How much money? எத்தனை புலி? 80 tigers his husband has killed. I'm not joking, huh? He came to my class. She has eaten. These hunters those days, sir, not now. Those days was killing us around. Not now. Now it's all thing. But those days, she has eaten tiger meat. Am I madam? And then broom, bear. Kardi. After the man, he has healed so many cows, he has done so many things. The man has done so many things. Kardi means a bear, tiger, jungle pig, everything. He came for the class, he's a changed man today. No more. He had birds in the cage, all the birds he released. But doesn't matter, he's done his part. Even the fish he had, he's got let go of all the command and all, he let them all go today. So he's a changed man. Understand? So imagine sometimes no one teach you these kind of things. No one go and tells people they are also living there. They don't hurt you. They were here before human beings were here. They need their own free space to roam and do what. You don't go and look for them to kill them, it's wrong. They disturb you, it's fine. Human beings go and look and kill them. That's wrong. அது பாடம் அங்கே இருக்கு. நம்ம ஏன் தேடி கொள்ளணும் அதை? தப்பு தானே மேடம்? நம்ம ஒன்றும் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண. So you must understand, my friend, human beings are the worst enemy to nature. Humans are worst enemy to nature. இப்போ விட்டார் மேடம், இப்போ என்ன வயசு விட்டுறது? என்ன வயசு இப்போ? 76 years you live. So how much harm is that? At least something is stopped now. Otherwise, other people kill. So it's very long. Okay, madam? Thank you very much. High five again. Very good. Thank you.